Hey y'all, I just want to tell you this dessert was absolutely delicious. It didn't make it to the end of the day. We devoured this thing. And let me just say it worked out just fine with only 1 can of cinnamon rolls and just cutting them up. If you wanted to make it smaller to make a thicker thing of it, you could. But I partially burnt mine a little bit because you know me, I get to talking and running my mouth and forget about things. But anyway, it's absolutely delicious. It's a must try. I hope you guys give it a shot. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of it, and I'll see you guys in the comments. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. I'm going to grease this pan. Just so nothing sticks. Oh yeah, this is the one that I could lick. Oh, this smells divine. We're going to open up our cinnamon rolls. You're going to save the icing for at the end. We're going to pour that over. Ugh, come on thing. There we go. But you want to cut your cinnamon rolls into quarters. And then just sprinkle it throughout the pan. And you want to cover the entire pan. Now I might can put both cans in here. So much for having it, right? Yeah, one can will be plenty. Just make sure you spread them all out nice and neat. Oh my heavens, Betsy, I can't get it open. Alright, so in this packet you get a brown sugar and cinnamon type thing, and then your cake mix. You just want to cut your cake mix open and then sprinkle the cake mix throughout your pan. Okay. Spread it out, make sure it's all kind of nice and even. And we're going to do the same thing with this brown sugar and cinnamon. Whoops. Wouldn't be me if I didn't make a mess. Okay, and then we want to cut our stick of butter into little cube-sized pieces. And you want to place your butter all along the baking dish. Then we're going to bake this in the oven, 350 for 30 to 45 minutes until it's done. Got an extra pat of butter. There we go. In the oven it goes. Y'all, you know me. Wouldn't be me without a little burnt edges, but that's okay. I don't know if this is going to drizzle or not. Probably might need to put it in the microwave. We're going to make it work. But you just drizzle this over it. Gosh, come on. Let me get a little help. Doesn't that look good? They never send enough icing. But it's okay, we can make our own. Let's taste it. I'm gonna go right here in the middle. I'm a soft person. Like, are you a brownie corner or a brownie middle? I'm a soft person, but look at this. Heavens to Betsy, that's delicious. It's okay. Well, there you have it. I don't know what you call this, but it's delicious. That's what you call it. I hope this video put some yummy in your tummy and a smile in your heart. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.